Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can change gender of your Bitmoji on your Snapchat. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open your Instagram app, log into your account, and from there select on your profile. Now once you do that, you're going to see your profile, and on the top right you're going to see a settings icon. Hit on that and you can see a bunch of different options like how you want your account to be. Now from the down option you guys can see a Bitmoji option. Hit on Bitmoji and from there you guys can see your Bitmoji, like what you have created for. Now from the down option I have this unlink my Bitmoji. I'm gonna click on that and from there you guys can see remove Bitmoji. If you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my wardrobe. Now hit on remove because I'm gonna tell you how to change gender on your Snapchat account. Alright, so as you guys can see, my avatar is deleted. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit and create my avatar, and from there you guys can see you have the gender option. You can select male or you can select male, but for the course of the video I'm gonna be changing my gender to female, and after that you guys can see there it's gonna give you some bunch of different options like your So here, as you guys can see, it is giving you a bunch of different options like about your skin tone, about your hairstyle, about your hair color, and a bunch of different options like your eye settings, your eyelash settings, your eye size, and there are a bunch of different options as well. You can set your nose, you can set your head appearance, you can check your lips, whatever you want to add to your Bitmoji on your Snapchat, you can do that. Once you do that, on the top right you can see a save button. Hit on that and then ready to pick an outfit. Yes, and after that you can choose your outfit whatever you like. After that again hit on save and then you're good to go. Alright, so as you guys can see, outfit saved, and I have created my Bitmoji to the gender, which is female gender. Now, that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. See you in the next video. Peace.